Mrs. Holbrook here. Hope everyone is doing well. This is the second foundations video for the week. Yesterday, or whenever you watched it, we worked on the glued sound ing. Remember, when we tap out glued sounds, we do 3 fingers together because there's 3 letters in I, N, G to help us feel the sound and remember each part. So we will be focusing on a new glued sound today. We're going to do a very quick warm-up since you saw a full warm-up yesterday. Okay, for today's warm-up, I will just be focusing on a couple tricky sounds. M, N, TH, thumb, and over to my glued sounds. Yesterday was ing, ring, ing. Remember, you should be repeating after me. And today's sound is ang, fang, ang. Our key word to help us remember is a vampire bat who's got wings and his fangs. Those are long teeth that have the ang sound. Think for a moment and see what words you can come up with that rhyme with fang. We'll skip our vowel extension, but feel free to pause here and do it yourself. And we'll review our R controlled because these can be very tricky. A-R, car, R. Repeat after me. O-R, horn, or. E-R, her, I-R, bird, U-R, burn, And today's trick word of the day is the number 1. What parts are tricky? One sounds like it starts with a W, but it starts with an O. One, the N is there, but it sounds like You don't hear the E at the end. If I were to try to read this word one, I would probably say own, like the E at the end makes the O say O. So if you couldn't read this word right off the bat, you need to practice it. You can skywrite it, or you can take your finger and practice writing it on a surface. O-N-E, 1. You can also write it around your house, do rainbow writing, whatever you need to do to practice the number 1. And does anyone know how to spell the other kind of 1? Like if you won a game, that's a challenge for you to see if you can figure out. This is the number 1. Okay, so back to our glued sound of the day, which is A-N-G. Let me find my, I need to, this was yesterday's word, so let me go all the way back to our board, and here we go. So today we have A-N-G. I'm going to bring that glued sound down, and we're going to see if you can read some of these words. Okay, tap it out if you're stuck. B-ang, bang. And the faster we can tap and blend, the easier it is to read the word. So instead of just b-ang, let's go a little faster. B-ang, bang, bang. What's something that makes a bang? Thunder and fireworks. What else can you think of? Okay, let me spell my word away. Help me out. B-A-N-G. Okay, let's try one more word. Sang. I'll tap it out. Sang. Read it with me. Sang. Excellent. So now I'm going to be dictating some words. That means saying some words for you to write. Okay, get ready. Repeat after me. Rang. The phone rang very loudly. Tap out rang. It's backwards. Ang. Time for you to pause it and write it. Okay, check yours to mine. And we need to mark it. How do we mark a glued sound? What's that? That's right, we box it in. Go ahead and put a box around the glued sound. Okay, your next word is bangs. He bangs on my door. Another meaning for bangs is people who have bangs in their hair. Repeat after me again. Bangs. What is the base word? Good, bang. Make sure you tap out bang, b-ang, write it, and then add the ending, bangs. Check your word to mine, and let's mark it up together. Underline the base word, circle the suffix, and box in the glued sound. And please, oops, laundry's done. Please make sure that your B is going the right way. How's it look? Good for you, good job. If you made a mistake, the important thing is that you can find your mistake and fix it. Okay, let's get ready for our last word. So far we did rang, bangs, and our last word is sang. Like she sang a song. Sang. Tap it and write it. Sang. Okay, check yours to mine. How did you do? Let's box in our glued sound and read our word back. Sang. Excellent. Okay, and lastly today we will be dictating a sentence. Let me get my sentence screen up here. And you can erase your paper so that you are ready to go. Okay. Come on down. All right, my friends, the sentence is, get ready, it's a question sentence. Why did Bob hang this up? Why did Bob hang this up? And here's our sentence frames. I'm going to start with the capital. Why did Bob hang this up? Move myself over. And we need the tall one because we need a question mark. Okay, let's look for trick words before you start. First word, why, I'm going to circle as a trick word. It's a WH trick word. Why did, you can tap out did. Why did Bob, you can tap that out. And you know what? I think I need to change out this frame because Bob is a person's name, so it should be a capital. Why did Bob hang? Ooh, it's got ang in it. You can tap that out. Why did Bob hang this? This is a trick word, and it's got that noisy TH sound that makes my tongue tickle when I say it. This up. Okay, go ahead and write your sentence. Okay, before you check it with mine, let's go through our proofreading procedure. First check, did you start and end the sentence the right way? Start with an uppercase, and in this one it's a question, so ending with a question mark. Let me draw that the right way for you. There we go. Okay, can you next check over your trick words? All the words that are circled should be spelled right. They're trick words. I know you don't have any trick word resources at home, but check them extra carefully. All right, now check all the words that you can tap out. Let's tap out did. D-id. Oops, my fingers are backwards. D-id. You should have two D's. Make sure your D's are going the right way. Let's tap out Bob. B-a-b. Make sure it's an uppercase. We can tap out hang. Let's tap that out. H-ang. And we can tap out up. Up. Good, so check all of those. And now let's put a box around our glued sound of the day, A-N-G. And we're going to scoop and read our sentence smoothly. I'll bring my sentence back up. I think you can all see it. And you can do this with your finger, and you can mark it. We don't want to read the sentence like this. We want to scoop it and make it smooth. Why did Bob hang this up? Why did Bob hang this up? Why? Actually, I'm going to scoop it a little bit differently. Why hang this up. That's the way it would really sound when we're talking. And that's the whole point in scooping, making it sound in chunks the way we do when we talk. Why did Bob hang this up? I guess probably because he liked it. All right, great job with this dictation, my friends. The very last thing I want you to practice today is reading some words that have our ANG and our ING from yesterday. Let me move myself down here, and I want you to just pause it yourself and practice these. I'll read them once so that if you need to hear them, you can. Fang, sing, zing, bang, ming, sang, ping, sing, thing, rang, tang, hang. And our review words: packs, sheds, fans, Russ. Keep practicing these until you can do them as quickly and smooth as I can. Don't forget, like in the video I did from yesterday, you can tap them out if you need to help you, and then you want to get smoother and smoother. Great job today, guys. Keep working hard at home. I miss you.